Hello friends, today we will see how to get an interactive particlesJs on your Divi WordPress website. So before doing the tutorial, let me show you how does it look like on a website. So this is a website where I have installed the particlesJs. So this is a very interactive and kind of engaging kind of thing on a website. When a user visits your website, it gets get hooked to your website because it is a very engaging and interactive kind of thing. So in this tutorial we are going to achieve similar kind of thing on our Divi website. Log into my test website. And I have also written this article, so you would be needing few things. So in order to get all the things in one place, I have just written one blog article. So I would be linking the blog article in the video description, so you can get all the details, all the things which you are required for this tutorial. So first of all, you need to download a particlesJs plugin. So from here, you can just download this plugin, and after downloading the plugin, head over to your WordPress website and go to the plugin section and add that plugin which you have downloaded from my website. So let me just add that plugin on this website. Once you have installed this plugin, just activate that plugin. Now before going to the page section, let me just take you over to the particlesJs website, from where you can make the interactive particle. So I have already linked the that website link over this article. Just click over here, and don't forget, I will be linking all the articles, all the website and the plugin links in the my blog article, so you can easily just download and go navigate to that website and do the steps which I am telling you right now. So now as you can see, this is the NASA particlesJs. So there are few more options which you can do. There are few more styles option which you can do, like there is a default one which is similar to the website which I have shown you. See this one. So you can choose this one, and then there is a bubble one. So you can select any style. There are 5 styles. You can select any style from here, but as for this tutorial purpose, we are using NASA style. And now let's head over to this particle section. So in particles, you can just adjust the volume of the particle. So if you just see, the number of particle will increase, the area, how much area it is covering, so you can just increase. You can just from here change the color of the particle. So see, it has become red. So let me just make it red, as I would be using this thing on my black background. So you can even change the shape also. So like in the type, you can select edges, whatever this thing like. Okay, let me just select the star for this thing, as we are using galaxy. And now you can increase the size of that thing. So this looks better. Okay, just leave it here. Now You can even select the opacity of that thing, how much this should be visible, so you can do that thing. And after playing around this thing, let's just, you need to just download the JSON file from here. So download the current config file, just download that thing and open to any code editor. So you do not need to worry about the code. What you have to do is simply copy this code, and before copying this code, let's just head over to our blog article. Just copy the code which is under this square bracket, copy exact code, and let's head over to our WordPress website where we have installed that particle background plugin. Just paste that code over here. Where it is written your code, just copy the JSON file code and paste that code instead of your code. Just select your code and just paste the JSON code which you have downloaded from that website. Just copy this particle word as we would be using this as a CSS ID. So let's just head over to the page where we want that interactive particlesJs. So in my case, I would be needing that thing on my home page. Just add a new section and add a row over here, and then add a text particlesJs tutorial. Let's just style this thing. So go to the text, make it bold, change the font color as we would be changing the background color. So let's just increase the font size and just align this text to the center. And let's head over to this section and let's give a background over here, and let's just add a black background. And before adding that class to the CSS ID, let's just give a little bit padding. Okay, that is the sufficient. So now let's head over to the section settings, and in advanced and in the CSS ID just paste the copied class which we have copied from that particlesJs and just save it. So as you can see, now we have added that thing and that is working absolutely fine. So hopefully you enjoy watching this video and subscribe to this channel. More tutorial video is coming onto this channel. Thank you.